Hey folks, going for a new design series again. Today we just let's design a desk organizer. Today is this series to design a desk organizer that I found a few days ago. So what I will do, I know what I want, so I will just click here and then I'll go to my dashboard and I'll click here and then I'll go to industrial design. So this is you see in the blank canvas over here. I will import a few of the images that I already found on like that I do like. Is this three one? I like these three ones, so I will import them. Yep. And as you can see, they are now on my canvas. So I have them over here and yeah, it looks great. I will just change the aspect ratio a little bit. Great, now I like it. So now that I have this, what I want to do, so this is a small desk organizer that I found online. The base is plastic. The top one is looks nice. I want to say that I like this one. I want to see how the bottom will look like if I have some uh, let's see, make it organic or make it not organic. I want something that is more natural. Okay, let's see how does this make it more natural. Yeah, okay. Uh, okay, let's do this. So this request will send. I feel like I also want something that is a little bit more. So I took that image as reference. Let's see if I can here. So I'm just checking some stuff on this side. Yes, this is wood base. Okay, so this is wood base. Any other material? Mm-hmm. Let's see here. Oh, let's do this. I want a grid. Okay, so a grid of let's do 2x4 organic material. Yeah, I think 2x4 is a little bit too much. I'll go 2x2 or 1x3 might be better. Organic material. And then I pick this one for reference and then I send it. Okay, this looks good for me. I want to see how this will render. Okay, I already have the exploded view over here. For the dreamers. Ooh. The makers. Ooh. Yes. The stone one is a little bit different. I like the second one. Okay, so I will grab this one and then the second material for the base. Okay, let's see what it will come. We got wood. Wood looks really good, like really, really good. Okay, so I will come here and then what did you do? Oh, okay. What is this? Okay, I like this. Feature material. So the thing that I like here on the designs, like as I go through, as I can see my consumption, my token consumption, all of these things in real time. So as you can see here, I'm reaching like roughly 80 tokens. So every time I send a request, every time you consume one token. But yeah, I wanted to go through this to show you this journey. Okay, yeah, this looks good. This looks really great. So I will just remove this one. I don't want this. I'll just add this one back. Uh, I also don't want this one. So okay, let's grab this, and then if I say isolate just at the top, just top container. Okay, and then I'll grab this again, and then isolate just bottom base. Oops, this one, and then I send this. Great. Iron is missing. This is missing the things. So I will use the prompt that I use on this thing, but I use this image as reference. Yes, and then this is not great. This is not great. So I'll use this one as reference here. Send it. Again, as you guys can see, back and forth. You guys are trying. I'm trying with you. And I also use this one as reference, and then I send this one. Again, as you can see, as I send this request, as you see my tray get my consumption reduces. Great. I like this one. This is better. This one is better. So I can grab this. I can grab this one. The hole is not perfect. I can retry this thing. The hole is not perfect, but I will accept that. I will accept this for now. I'm waiting also for the bottom tray over here to arrive, and then I will show you a few stuff that we can do over here. So now that I have these, this does not look correct. So again, as you can see, guys, there's some back and forth over here. This is not perfect. Yeah, there's definitely some things that we can improve here and there, but at least you can see how you can iterate on a design, give some path of different shape, different material, different finish, etc. So yeah, just wanted to show you this.